Hey everyone, welcome to Fresh Library YouTube channel. Today in this session, we are going to learn about, we are going to discuss about DBMS and disadvantages of DBMS, DBMS and disadvantages of this DBMS. By the end of this class, you are able to learn about DBMS and as well as disadvantages of DBMS. Okay, without any further delay, let's start our session. But before proceeding into today's session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. What we have discussed in the last class. In the last class, we have discussed about DBase, DBase database. It is a second database in real-time applications. It is a second database in real-time application. First one is file and the second one is DBase. DBase is a collection of meaningful and structured information stored at certainly one named memory location. Means it will store in one memory location, and it consists of a collection of data or collection of meaningful information in a structured format. Okay, meaning collection of data and in a structured format, and it was introduced in 1970s, and the symbol of database is cylindrical symbol. All database softwares are managed by DBMS. Previously it was managed by file system. Okay, for file system. For DBase, DBMS, DBase data DBMS, database management system. Okay, now in this session we are going to discuss about uh, DBMS, right? So DBase, DBMS, sorry. So first of all, DBMS is database management system. So what is it? What it is means it is a predefined software tool. It is a predefined software tool. Means we are using predefined software program only, or predefined software only. We are not preparing, or we are not developing that application. We are using already existing one. Okay, it is a predefined software tool. Software tool. Next, it is used to manage all DB operations like select, insert, update, delete. Okay, these are the basic queries in SQL. These are the basic queries in SQL. First of all, most of them are start with the select query. Okay, first select, then update, insert, delete. Depends upon the type of scenario we are going to use this kind of queries. Okay, it is used to manage all DB operations. All DB operations like select, select insert, update, sorry, delete. etc. Okay. Mm, okay. And now, um, what is this DBMS? How it will work? DBMS, it works as an interface between client or user and database. It is a interface between user and database. Now, for understanding this, I am going to open the Word document. Wait, we'll open the fresh one. Give me a minute. It will take less than 1 minute. Okay. So here I'm going to prepare one diagram for better understanding. Okay. So first of all, I am taking shapes, one rectangular. This is the client. Let's say this is an client. Okay. Client also we can also take as user. And here we are writing one query. Okay, we are writing one query, the basic queries. I'm writing one small query, that is select start from employees means employees and table, the table name of the uh, employee. Table name is employees table. Okay. Next, I'm going to take another shape, one more rectangle. Let's say it is a DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. System. Next, now I'm going to take a database. Database is in the shape of cylindrical shape, right? So where was that? Yeah, here we have. As we discussed, database is like a cylindrical shape. It's an employees database. It's an employees database. Now I'm going to connect these by taking arrow marks. Okay. And one more. This from here to here. So the client will send the query from query through database. Okay, first client will send the query to database management system, then the database management system through database table, database employees database. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So here first um, client to database management system and the database management to employees. So what we are saying, what we are discussing is this database management system is used as a interface between this client and this database. This client and this database. The data will flow from user to database, database to database management system to database, and database to database management system, and database management system to user. Okay. uh, Next here I'm going to write that point. It is a interface between user client or user, you can call so called as client or user, and database. Next, what are the disadvantages of DBMS? Till now we have discussed about DBMS. Now we are going to discuss about what are the disadvantages of DBMS. So first of all, what is the first disadvantage of this DBMS is all databases are desktop databases. All databases are desktop databases. What is mean by it? So now let's take example. I'm opening Word. So here, this is the Word document, right? This is a Word document, but it is a desktop application. It is a desktop application. Desktop application means we can open these MS Word without any need of a net connection. Okay, without opening any browser or without need any internet connection, we are going to we are give me a minute, we are going to use this one. Okay, these type of applications are called DBMS, like a web, desktop applications, Webex, PyCharm. Okay, remaining some of the softwares, Chrome. Chrome is not an desktop application. It is also considered as a web application. Okay, so Chrome, Mozilla, and Opera, these are comes under in desktop applications. Okay, and desktop and web applications. But here, for suppose Naukri.com has both web and desktop application. Okay, both web and desktop, and some of the applications like Facebook also having desktop and web applications. Okay, they need internet to connect with the database or to connect with any other. Okay, but these desktop applications doesn't need any net connection, and these desktop applications doesn't need any um, browsers. Okay, for working on those kind of applications. Okay, web applications means which runs on internet, and the desktop applications means without using a net connection, without using any browser, you can simply go and work there. Okay, like MS Office, Excel, like these kind of applications. Okay, but we need web applications also. If we support any, if our any application is having only I mean yeah, only desktop applications, then they need to migrate to web applications also. Then the main advantage of web application is whatever we enter the data, it will automatically store in cloud or internet. It will automatically store in cloud, and we can access from everywhere in the world. We can access that applications from everywhere in the world. For suppose I'm preparing the sheet in Notepad. Okay, now I want to open this Notepad from some other place. Okay, can I open this Notepad, I mean this kind of these notes in somewhere? No, because it is an I'm writing these notes in local ones only. I'm not sharing with to any other Gmail or any other accounts. If I share this document, then only I can open. Otherwise, and if I want to access this matter or these notes from any other place, then I need to upload the sheet in other web applications. Okay, then I need to upload this sheet from any other applications. Then only I am able to open. Otherwise, I can't open. Okay, if an application if we can open from everywhere, uh, then those kind of applications are called as an web applications. But if the application can only open from only one particular place, or from only one desktop, or from only one system, then that type of applications are comes under in desktop applications. Okay, this is the disadvantage, because here we are writing nodes in one place and one system, and we can't access from any other where. This is the disadvantage. If we access these nodes from any others also, from everywhere in the world, then it will not a disadvantage. All databases are desktop databases. Next, all databases are support single user and multi users are not supported. So it will support only single users only. Okay, single user means only one person can only use these databases. if somebody wants to use this database, then he may not or he can't use that type of feature. Okay, multiple users will not support. Okay, let's for example, for better understanding, if you buy one laptop or system, and some of your brother or sister wants to use that application, but it won't allow you to you or your friend or your sister to use that application or that software. Then if they want to or if they need any system or laptop, then they need to purchase another laptop. Okay, because your laptop doesn't supposed to use multi users, your laptop is supporting only for single user. Okay, then at that type of situation they need to purchase another laptop. Okay, that is the disadvantages. Okay, but you and your friend or any others also are able to perform um, mm, use your laptop, then that comes under an advantage, because without paying, without investing any amount, we can some of your friends or sister or brothers also they can use that laptop, right? Okay, all databases are supports single single user and multiple users are not supported, are not supported. Third point, we can establish relationship between two or more tables. Okay, we can't establish a relationship between two or more tables. That means that yeah, let's take one example. Let's take one college example. In that one college, we are your classroom have 100 members. Okay, your classroom has 100 members. So it is hard to maintain, or it is hard to control all 100 members at a time in the same class. So your management wants to divide that first 50 members as one section and remaining 50 members as one more section, but class is same. Our sixth class means sixth class, seventh class means seventh class, or be first year means first year, second year means second year. But class is same, but members are different from each section. Okay, so but if you want to maintain their records, then they will maintain records for in their database as a single file only, from 1 to 50 one section, and 51 to 100 another section. Okay, now they want to join both tables. Okay, they want to join both tables, means after 50 they want to continue 51, 52, 53, like that. So if the table consists of if they want to establish relationship between those two tables, it can possible. But if the class is having more than 200 or 300, then they need to establish relationship between more tables, like 1 to 51 table, 50 to 100 one table, and 100 to 151 table, and 150 to 201 table, like that they will. But they can't create a relationship between two or more tables. Okay, that is the main disadvantages. we can't, we can establish, we can't establish, sorry, we can't establish relationship between two or more tables. Okay, and it supports limited constraints or rules. Okay, it will support only for few constraints and few rules. We will discuss about this point later. If you discuss about this point, you may get confusion. Okay, in our upcoming session I am going to uh, discuss about these in a detailed way. For understanding purpose only, I'm going to write down the notes, and I will specify some examples for these. It supports limited constraints rules. Okay, constraints are rules. Examples are, or previous one, like what was the dbase. Okay, example of this is dbase only. Dbase. Next, Fox Pro, etc. Okay, so here we have discussed about DBMS and disadvantage of DBMS, right? So first point is it is a predefined software tool. Okay, and means we are using already defined software only, already prepared software only, and it is used to manage all queries. DB operations are queries. We can also call it as queries: select query, insert query, update query, and all, delete and all. Okay, and it is an interface between client and employees. This is an interface between client and database. And disadvantages are all databases are desktop databases, and all databases are support single user, and multi users are not supported. We can't establish relationship between two or more tables. Okay, it supports only limited constraints. We'll discuss about this last point in our upcoming sessions. If you have any doubts regarding this session, please comment below. And if you like our classes, hit the like button. And if you like our content, uh, comment for content. And if you want to get latest updates from our channel, please subscribe our channel and stay up to date. Okay, and you can also share this video in your social media networks. It will help others who are struggling to start their career in IT. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching.